Yes, you can start now.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hardik Kumar from 2A MPC. I'm going to tell about the organic compound pentane today. What is pentane? Pentane is an organic compound with the formula C5H12 that is an alkane with 5 carbon compounds. The term may refer to any of the 3 structural isomers or to a mixture of them in the IUPAC nomenclature. However, pentane means exclusively N-pentane isomer. The two are called isopentane, methylbutane, and neopentane, dimethylbutane. Cyclopentane is an isomer of pentane because it has only 10 hydrogen atoms where pentane has 12. Its industrial uses. Pentane are some of the primary blowing agents used in production of polystyrene foam and other foam, usually a mixture of N, N minus, I minus, and increasingly cyclopentane is used for this process. Acid catalyzed isomerization gives isopentane, which is used as producing high octane fuels. Because of their low boiling points, low cost, and relative safety, pentanes are used as a working medium in geothermal power stations, in some blended refrigerants, and used as a working medium in organic Rankine cycles. Pentane as are solvents in many ordinary products, example in some pesticides. Laboratory uses. Pentane are relatively inexpensive and are the most volatile liquid alkanes at room temperature. So they are often used in the laboratory as solvents that can be conveniently and rapidly evaporated. However, because of their non-polarity and lack of functionality, they dissolve only non-polar and alkali-rich compounds. Pentanes are miscible and most common non-polar solvents such as fluorocarbons, aromatics, and ethers. They are often used in liquid chromatography. Physical properties. The boiling points of pentane isomers range is about 9 to 36 degrees Celsius. Is the case of other alkanes. For more thickly branched isomers tend to have lower boiling points. The same tends to be true for the melting points of alkane isomers, and that of isopentane is 30 degrees Celsius lower than the of N-pentane. However, the melting point of neopentane, the most heavily branched of there, is 100 degrees Celsius higher than the isopentane, and anomalously high melting point of neopentane has been attributed to the tetrahedral molecules packing more closely in solid form. But this explanation is contradicted by the fact neopentane has a lower density and the other two isomers, and the high melting point is actually caused by neopentane's significantly lower entropy of fusion. Reaction and occurrence. Like other alkanes, pentanes are largely unreactive at standard room temperature and conditions. However, with sufficient activation energy, example an open flame, they rapidly oxidize from carbon dioxide and water. C5H12 plus 8O2 gives rise to 5CO2 plus 6H2O plus heat by energy. Like other alkanes, pentanes undergo free radial chloration. Such reactions are unselective, and pentane, the result is a mixture of 1 minus, 2 minus, and 3 minus chloropentanes, as well as more highly chlorinated derivatives. Other radial halogenations can also occur. Pentane is a component of exhaled breath of some individuals, a degradation product of unsaturated fatty acids, and presence in associated with certain disease and cancer. Thank you.
Nice presentation, Hardik. Your topic was pentane. So you have collected the information like physical and chemical properties of pentane, its uses, its reactions.
Yes, yes.
Nice information. Good.
Thank you.